Alright, welcome back to my channel, Delightful_Dawn. It is me, Delightful Dawn, aka Donnie D. But I'm about to do my hair, turn this whack hair to like yes hair. You know, I know everybody go through those days where it's been some old twist styles. You done been through a whole week, you don't know what to do. Like, girl, we're gonna get this hair together. I'm going to use some Cantu. What is this? Cantu coconut curling cream and my trusty dusty got-to-be glue and a brush and my dusty water bottle. So please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you are interested in seeing my hair being transformed to a top one, keep watching. And if you'd like to see me beat my face just a little bit towards the end, keep watching. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Let's go. So first, I'm going to spray my hair with the water all around the area. Rub that water in, get that water into that back, get that water into the fronts, blow away all of those misties. And then I'm going to brush it up softly, but it looks kind of rough because it's going fast. Put on some Cantu around the perimeter of the hair, then brush it again to kind of mold it. So this is what we're doing now, molding it. When I do my edges, I kind of do the same, just kind of make my swoops. Then I put that got-to-be glue on there real quick. I do like some little pumps, go over those swooply shapes that I made. Kind of go over those first, you know, softly. You know, not putting too much, try not to go too heavy on it. Then I rub it in the front, and I kind of put some in the back, which I'm not gonna really see the back part too much. Then I brush them again, and then I put on my rubber band, nice and stretchy. Double it up, put it in a top knot puff. You see how I kind of glide it on? Make sure you take your time with that, and then bloop. It is on there. Then I spritz it again with some water to give it some moisture and add in some Cantu conditioner. Just rub it on in there so it's soft. Then I put on my wrap. And then bam. I'm back. My other camera had died on me. It was a very tragic moment. This is my look that I'm gonna wear today. Let me show you my hair. So I don't know what hair y'all look like. This is my bun. Definitely see the bottom part of this. It looks a hot mess. Probably at its worst, okay? Dry, crusty. All you need is a water bottle, some got-to-be glue, and some conditioner or some type of moisturizer, and you in there like swimwear, okay? You like it or not? You think I did it good or not? I look cute though. You know, cause BB boy. Let me do a little shout out to Mariah Jasmine. Cause what's goody with this hair? What's popping? Okay. I think it's cute. I think it's cute. So if you have thoroughly enjoyed this video, please thumbs it up, like, comment, and subscribe. Share it to anyone you think that would just love to, you know, experience a Delightful Dawn experience. You know, we need growth in this channel. We are celebrating 400 on this channel. Let's celebrate 4,000. I want to celebrate 1,000 with y'all by the end of the year. So thank you to all the ones who have subscribed to me thus far. All my good YouTube family, I have loved y'all, and y'all give me inspiration to continue to be great and to be marvelous in all that I do. But yeah, remember to follow me on all social media platforms. That's Delightful_Dawn is the same handle as this channel on Instagram and Twitter. Until next time, be unapologetically you.